In this video, I am going to show you how to find someone location using their phone number. It's super quick and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open any browser on your device. I am using Google Chrome. In the search bar, type free reverse lookup or Truecaller and hit search. Then tap on the official Truecaller website from the result. On the side, you will see a search bar. Now enter the phone number you want to look up and tap on search. Now you will see details linked to that number such as name, region and possibility the city. Exact live location tracking is not possible due to privacy laws, but this method helps identify general location and user information. And that's it. You have successfully found someone basic location using a phone number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.